Hi and welcome to our new 3-part webinar series about robot-based 3D printing. My name is Werner and I'm a research engineer here at the Austrian Center for Digital Production. My work areas include software development, circuit design and additive manufacturing technologies. But enough from my side. This is the content of today's webinar. First, I will talk about what robot-based 3D printing is, then how it works, what the advantages are and what you can use it for. So let's start. What is robot-based 3D printing? Conventional 3D printing uses machines that are specifically designed for 3D printing, like a Prusa MK3 printer or a Stratasys F900 printer, which is used in an industrial environment. These printers use either a Cartesian, a core XY or a delta kinematic to produce movement and are limited to 3 degrees of freedom in space. The main additive manufacturing processes which are used by these machines are fused deposition modeling, stereolithography or selective laser sintering. But what about robot-based 3D printing? It is a type of additive manufacturing that involves the use of industrial robots to create 3-dimensional objects. Unlike conventional 3D printers, which typically use a fixed printer head to lay down layers of material, robot-based 3D printers use a robotic arm to move the printer head in 3 dimensions, allowing for greater flexibility and precision. How does robot-based 3D printing work? It works very similar to conventional 3D printing and consists of 4 steps. First, you need to design or construct an object. This is done using computer-aided design, short CAD. Secondly, you need to select the wanted material for your part. This will determine which additive processes are available. Robot-based 3D printing you can use a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, ceramics, and composites. Third, robot-based 3D printer uses a robotic arm to move the printer head in 3 dimensions, laying down successive layers of material to create the object. The printer head may be similar to that of a traditional 3D printer, or it may be a more specialized tool designed for specific materials or applications. Once the printing is complete, the object may require post-processing to remove support structures, smooth rough edges, or add finishing touches. All that sounds great, but what are the advantages of robot-based 3D printing? Well, it offers several advantages over traditional 3D printing methods. Robot-based 3D printers can move in multiple directions and angles, allowing for greater flexibility during the production process. Additionally, robots are not limited by the size of a fixed printer bed. They can be used to create larger structures than traditional 3D printers. And industrial robots are faster than most traditional 3D printers. They are also more cost-effective and have a higher consistency. So the last thing I want to tell is what you can use it for. Robot-based 3D printing has a wide variety of applications, but it is mainly used for creating large art pieces, building houses, or other architecture like bridges. And of course it is used for engineering, like producing large-scale parts or even repairing damaged parts. This concludes our first webinar. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. We also have other webinar videos about a variety of topics, for example OPC UA or flexible safety systems on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Have a nice day.